Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS16R4. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI MS16R4 is dying within 10 minutes of being unplugged, you are likely facing a battery issue. This problem typically arises from battery wear over time or a faulty battery that can no longer hold a charge. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including potential damage to your laptop's motherboard. To get started with the battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new battery compatible with the MSI MS16R4. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Begin by flipping the device over and locating the screws that secure the back panel. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove all screws, keeping them safe for reassembly. Next, gently insert the plastic spudger into the seams of the back panel to pry it open. Be cautious to avoid damaging any clips or nearby components. Once the back panel is off, you should be able to see the battery. It is typically located near the center of the laptop, connected by several screws and a cable. Carefully unscrew the battery using the same Phillips screwdriver. Remember to note where each screw goes, as they can vary in size. Once the screws are removed, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. It may require a bit of wiggling, but be gentle to avoid damaging the connectors. Now, take your new battery and connect the cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, place the new battery into the compartment and screw it into place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the new battery is secured, carefully replace the back panel, ensuring all clips are aligned. Reinsert all screws you previously removed, tightening them firmly but not overly so, as this may crack the casing. Finally, turn your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on to check if the new battery is functioning properly. To help prevent this issue from recurring, consider regularly calibrating your battery and avoiding deep discharges. Keeping your laptop clean and ensuring proper ventilation can also prolong battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.